Tyrone Mellon with Mellon Real Estate Inspection. Today, here's a couple quick tips. Furnace filters. We're coming into winter. These furnaces are kicking on. When's the last time you looked at your filter? We're going to show you how to check on your filter and install it correctly. So the first thing you want to do is kill the power to the furnace. You don't want the fan kicking on when you start to disrupt the furnace. Jamie's done a good job. We've got our switches here that need to be between the furnace and the doorway out. I'm going to kill the two furnaces. So very simplistically, there's a cover that you're going to pull off. Put that off to the side. Your furnace filter, you can draw it out. You always want to reference and know which way the air is going in the filter. Our cold air comes in. Jamie's done a good job here. They've marked which way the direction of airflow. So that arrow is going to match up. Cold air is coming in through the furnace, heated, and then up through the plenum and outward to the house. So we'll pull up this dirty filter. Some filters will have a steel meshing on one side, which will help if the filter ever gets clogged up, and if it ever pulls, it'll avoid that steel mesh, will help hold it from collapsing coming into the fan. This one does not. The homeowner's got a couple clean filters here. We're going to throw in a clean filter. So here again, our arrow, we're making reference, we're getting rid of our dirty filter. We've got our new filter ready to go. Looking at that arrow, we've got the right size. We're going to drop this guy in, slide her in, drop back on this cover. Sometimes they're snug. Done deal.